Arulmigu Sri Nagakanni Amman Temple, Suranikara. Amman's Mahadava Puja on the thorn bed of Audi festival. The flag raising of Amman is on Sunday, July 28, 2024 from 7:45 am to 8:45 am. It will be followed by a Dharmapadi Puja for the village goddess in the evening. On August 3, 2024, Audi 18, Saturday at 10:30, special puja for Amman will be held. A special puja for the Parivara Devadai and Gandhari Amman will be held in the noon at 12 pm. At 12:30 pm, Annadanam will be held. At 1 pm, the thorn bed will be brought. Following that, Amman's thorn bed will be decorated. At 6 pm, A. Chinnadurai's famous Nayandi Melam from Panakudi will be held. At 7 pm, the famous Kadakarai Nanjal TV Murugesan's Villisai will be held. At 7:15 pm, the great Annadanam will be held. At 9 pm, Nayandi Melam will be continued. At 10 pm, the Villisai will be continued. Nagakanni Amman's welcoming is at 11 pm. At 12 am, Amman's Dava Puja will start. At 12:45, devotees' bhajan will start. On August 4, 2024, Audi 19, Sunday, in the early morning at 5:30 am, Nayandi Melam will be continued. At 7 am, the Villisai will be continued. At 8:05 am, the Kool, that is, porridge as the prasadam, will be given. At 9 am, after Deepa Aradhane and Nayandi Melam, Amman's Kovil Vasal will be closed. At 10 am, Amman's Nertikadan will be held. At 10:15 am, Villisai will be held. At 12 pm, women's Kummi song will be sung. At 12:30 pm, Nagakanni Amman will get up from the thorn Tava Puja while giving this show to the devotees. At 1 pm, Amman's Davapadi rice will be given. At 1:30 pm, the Vattal Puja, that is, red chilli puja for Gandhari Amman, will be held. Following that, the great Annadanam will be held. At 2:30 pm, Amman Arulvakku will be held. At 5 pm, the event will be finished by Nayandi Melam and Villisai. The puja will be held for those who were living in poverty on that day, for both men and women who are worried that they will not be able to get married as they get older, for those who have been barred from work, forbidden from trade, for not making progress in their studies, for those who have been abandoned by delusion, evil, Villi Sunyam, Kathakarapu, and those who have health problems and those who are mentally ill. Come and find a place that offers some peace of mind. All are welcome, the common people, elders, and everyone, regardless of caste, creed, or ethnicity. We welcome you to get the grace of the goddess Nagakanni Amman. For further contact, dial 9159159692. Advertisement by SP Arumugam under Groups of Orchestra, Palavu. Thank you.